Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT and AI in general. Last time we left off, I was trying to get Being AI to write me an APCS mock exam, and I also told it to give me ratings on how accurate it thought the questions would be to the actual test. The last question I haven't finished yet was the linked list manipulation, in which you had to reverse the linked list. So I haven't really got to it. So I need to kind of think how I would do this. So you have the previous, current, and next. So I need to think of an algorithm that can constantly swap them. Okay. So first, let's just say I have a linked list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I can only go from one end to the other with only swapping, how could I reverse the list? My first idea is, what happens if I swap the first two values? Okay, so then what if I swap the next values? As you can see, what happens simply here is that I just basically push it around, which obviously won't get me to the correct solution, so that's not right. To basically, you want to create a loop that's half of this linked list. You just, for every I, you kind of keep on going to the middle until you're at the very end. You don't need to swap anymore. But I don't actually feel like writing the code, so instead because I don't know how to do this exactly, so I'm just gonna tell it my idea. This is my idea. Tell me if it's valid and or fast enough to be practical. First, you get the length of the linked list and divide it by 2 and round down. Next thing I'm going to want to do is loop by this number, in which you reverse linked list of beginning to plus I and linked list end minus I. Once the loop ends, your linked list should be reversed. So let's see what it says about that. Is valid and can be used. Let's break down your approach. Now, what is the actual common fast solution to the problem? Because this obviously works for normal arrays, but linked lists are different. So let's look at the most common efficient. I know this is stretch, but can you create a visual representation of this algorithm and how the nodes swap? Because this is pretty abstract, and I just kind of want to see how it works. So first goes 1, 3, 4, 5, initialize pointers. Instead, we reverse the link between adjacent nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swap the link 1 and null. Move previous and current forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the process. I know it's trying, but it's not doing that well because I still don't understand what's happening. I mean, maybe if I was smarter. I think I was really good at telling me that my algorithm worked, and it was pretty good at explaining the more common one, because I knew most likely my algorithm was not correct. Like, it wasn't gonna be that fast. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Anyways, bye bye.